Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open the trunk of your Mazda CX-30. We'll cover the various convenient methods available to you, ensuring you can always access your cargo space with ease. First, we'll look at using your key fob, a quick and simple way to pop open the hatch. Then, we'll explore the interior release button, perfect for when you're already inside the vehicle. Finally, we'll discuss the exterior button, offering direct access. Let's start with the key fob. To open your CX-30 trunk, simply press and hold the dedicated trunk button on your key fob for about 2 seconds. You'll hear a click, and the liftgate will unlatch, often popping up slightly, making it easy to lift manually. Next, for interior access, look for the trunk release button typically located on the driver's side dashboard, often near the steering wheel or door panel. A quick press of this button will also unlatch the rear hatch. Now, let's talk about the exterior release. When your Mazda CX-30 is unlocked, you can find a small button located just above the license plate, usually under the lip of the liftgate. Press this button, and the trunk will unlatch, allowing you to lift it open. For models equipped with a power liftgate, this process is even more convenient. A long press on the key fob button or the interior button will automatically raise the liftgate to its full open position, saving you effort. Finally, let's cover manual override and closing. In the rare event of an electrical issue or emergency, you can manually open the trunk from the inside. Fold down the rear seats and locate the small, often glow-in-the-dark, emergency release lever on the inside of the trunk lid. Pull this lever to unlatch the trunk. To close the trunk, simply pull it down firmly until you hear a distinct click, ensuring it is securely latched. Always double-check it's fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.